Hi, this is Kelly. Here I would like to introduce our customized service. Accepting the products that we offer by online catalogs, we also provide custom manufacturing, restoration, and services for new or used parts. Our subcontractors cover many manufacturing processes, such as plastic injection, stamping, rolling, rubber molding, die casting, machining, and assembly. They are also a team of very experienced engineers who know the processes so well that they can provide the feedback on tolerances or the things that we should pay attention for product development. Especially metal stamping and high-quality polishing or chrome parts are our strengths. We have experiences in handling the material from steel, stainless steel, brass, aluminum, and other materials. Here we have standard procedure and professional technique to produce the part with less flow consistently. We can offer you the most suitable parts for your demand and application. We offer high standard mirror polishing, 304, stainless steel, and chrome finish, with a glossy, as shiny as mirror and durable surface. We are making sure to bring the satisfaction for you by favorable price. It's always a valuable investment to keep the original look as you remember. You are welcome to send the drawings or physical samples to check the quotation. We have reproduced more than 5,000 parts for various car models. Just feel free and contact us for more information.